Belief is not a wish. It is not a gentle hope or a motivational poster. Belief is fire. It's steel. It's war paint on your soul. It is the invisible force that moves mountains, raises empires, and silences every voice that ever told you you can't. And if your belief is weak, your life will mirror it. Small, reactive, safe. But when belief is unshakable, when it burns in your chest like destiny itself, the world has no choice but to move. Every great pioneer, every mind that carved something eternal into the pages of history was fueled not by guarantees but by belief. Henry Ford believed he could build a car for every man, while people still trusted horses. The Wright brothers believed man could fly, while others laughed at the sky. Rosa Parks believed her dignity was not up for negotiation, even when the system said sit down. Belief is not passive. Belief confronts, it rebels, it demands. Because belief is not about what the world tells you is possible, it's about what you decide is non-negotiable. And here's what they won't tell you. The most dangerous thing in the world is not a man with weapons, it's a woman with vision. A mind that refuses to bow, a soul that says, this is who I am, and this is where I'm going. But belief doesn't last without fuel, and that fuel is clarity. Because belief without direction becomes noise, noise without meaning, movement without momentum. You must define what matters, not just the what, but the why you wake up when it's easier to sleep, why you sacrifice when it's easier to coast, why you keep going when everything in you screams to quit. Clarity gives belief its legs. It gives your fire a form. It turns hope into strategy and vision into reality. Without it, belief will fade. With it, belief becomes unbreakable. So what do you believe is possible for your life, Hanan? Not someday, now. Because the world will not rise to meet your fantasies, it will rise to match your clarity. And once clarity is locked in place, once the fog lifts and you see the life you are building, there is only one question left.